Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset password of BetFred account. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for BetFred login. After that, we need to simply click on this first link, or you can go on and click on this link over here as well. Now on the top right, we can see this option login. So let's tap on that. Now enter your username here. And we need to click on I forgot my login details. Now you can choose any of this which you have forgotten. So click on my password and enter your email address here. After that, simply click on send and we'll get a link after which we can finally reset our password and continue logging in with the resetted password. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.